Grand. Look, whatever. Right. I'll try Frank.
Talk to me.
Frank? Hi!
Come here to me. Did you hear about me and Rochelle the other night? I certainly made that cat meow for daddy.
Uh-huh.
Oh, and I met Teresa the other night, and let's just say that girl knows how to put the tramp into trampoline.
Anyway, did you hear about the new movie?
And I did Vanessa, and Harriet, and Sorka, and Joe Man, and a Mel. Oh, a Mel.
But I saw this trailer.
And I did her, and her, and her, and her, and him, and her, I think.
Frank! I can't see these people.
Oh, page 82 of the yearbook, babes.
Do you want to go out tonight?
Oh, I can't, babes. I got a girlfriend.
You have a girlfriend as well. I'll never find someone. Frank. 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 I said Frank. Kiss the cat. Oh no.
Like a